Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem where a contact saved from WhatsApp is not showing in your mobile contacts app. First, open WhatsApp and open the chat of the number. Tap on the contact name and choose Add to Contacts. Now, the name is showing in WhatsApp, but when you search in the Contacts app, it's still not showing. Don't worry, you can fix this problem in just a few simple steps. Go back to WhatsApp, open the chat of the number, tap on three dots on top right corner and select View Contact. Tap on three dots and select Edit. Scroll down and turn on Sync Contacts to Phone and select the Google account. Then save. Once Contact Sync is enabled, the contact will start appearing in your mobile contacts app. That's it. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.